So I got the Sega Master System 1 here, first time I've ever had one, and so pretty excited about that. But it's a bit dirty, but what's happening is no power. This light isn't coming on, so let's plug it in and show you. It's probably a good thing. It's probably a easy fix, something like the jack. The jack feels alright, so maybe it's like a solder joint or something, but plug it in. Switch it on. LED doesn't light up or anything. Right, so here it is with the lid on, and just take that off. And then there's a few screws, but I might be able to get in there and test the 20 volts. Okay. Yeah, so we've got 9 volts. But when I turn it on, this light doesn't come on, so I'll take it apart even further and have a look, see if the switch is working. So this switch seems to be working. When I test it here, it's open. And then press the power switch on, and seems a bit, yeah, so that seems to be working. So then the next thing is the voltage regulator. So that appears to be here, and so I guess one of these pins on the end is the input and output, so I'll test that. Make sure we got the power on, the switch. Okay. So where was it? Oh, here. Three pins here. Okay. So we've got 9 volts, nothing coming out. Must be our voltage regulator. So I have to grab one of those. Let's just test it again to make sure I had a good connection there. Nothing. 9 volts in. Nothing out. Sweet. Right, so just gonna take out these 2 screws here that hold this here in place. Just waiting for my soldering iron to heat up too. Then I've got to desolder this voltage regulator. I don't know what the best way to do that is going to be, because it's still going to be screwed into this heatsink. There's no way to really get that screw out. I'm wondering if I'll try to desolder it with some desoldering braid, and if not, I guess I'll just heat up the 3 legs bridge the solder and try pull it through. Get some flux on it. Probably going to suck up so much of that heat too with the screwed into the heatsink, the voltage regulator, but see. So finally got that out, just wriggled it around until it came loose. I'll bridge the solder joints with like a heap of solder and then just kind of pull it out slowly. It's quite hard to do, but I think once this got hot it was easier. So yeah, now just going to clean up the pads. Get all the solder out. Okay, so finally got those holes cleaned out and got the voltage regulator back in. So just going to solder it in place now, the new voltage regulator, and yeah. So I guess I've got to cut those feet off, so but first I'll make sure this, let's see if I can push this heat sink through a bit. Okay. Let's see. I need to cut these legs or not. I guess I would, but we might just test it first. Go on and test it, see if it'll work.